Today, we're diving into the GOPIE X03 mid-tower gaming PC case, a sleek and powerful chassis designed to elevate your gaming experience. Right off the bat, let's talk about the star of the show, the 6 pre-installed addressable RGB fans. These aren't just for show, they're fully functional and can be controlled via your motherboard software, allowing for customizable lighting to match your setup's aesthetic point. One of the standout features of the X03 is its 270 degrees panoramic dual-chamber design. Not only does this provide a stunning view of your components through the tempered glass panels, but it also separates cables, storage, and the PSU from other components. This not only keeps things looking clean but also maximizes airflow to keep your GPU running cool, even during intense gaming sessions. Inside, the X03 boasts a powerful space layout that's a dream for PC builders. With strong compatibility for micro ATX and IDX motherboards, GPU support up to 400mm, CPU cooling height up to 160mm, and room for top mounting up to a 360mm liquid cooler, this case can accommodate a wide range of hardware configurations. Plus, with perforated rear and top panels directing filtered air throughout the chassis, your components stay cool even under pressure. Let's not forget about practicality. The X03 features 2 magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom to help reduce dust buildup, keeping maintenance hassle-free. Overall, the GOPIE X03 mid-tower gaming PC case is a top contender for anyone looking to build a high-performance gaming rig with style and functionality in mind. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.